Hello students, good morning to all. In last video we have learned poem explanation of the little by little. So in this video we will learn question answers. Reading each one. First question. Name the tree that the acorn grows into. We have to write the name of the tree that from acorn that which tree will be there. So answer is this. The acorn grows into an oak tree. The acorn grows into an oak tree. Next question. What things does a seed need to grow? Seed को grow करने के लिए कौन सी things की जरूरत है? कौन सी things चाहिए? And a seed needs air, water, sunlight and soil to grow. A seed needs air, water, sunlight and soil to grow. The next question. How many describing words can you find in this poem? We have already learned this poem, right? So you have to find out the describing words it is given in the poem. So describing words in the poem are slowly, improving, deep, sick, tiny, slender, might. Describing words, that means describing something. So for this, here some words are there. So you can write this answer. Now, look at this picture, talk time. Look at the two pictures. Find 4 things that are different about these trees and talk about them. Here, in first picture, that tree is looking very happy. In the another picture, tree is looking very sad. First picture shows that trees gives us fruits, medicines, vegetables, and the birds are also just making nest in the branches of the tree. In the other picture, that we are just burning woods and hurting the trees. That some children they are throwing stones on the tree, so birds they are not sitting on the trees. So this tree is very sad. But the first tree that is very happy. So here let's write. Look at the picture 1 and write 3 sentences on what the trees give us. So you can write that trees give us fruits, trees give us vegetables, gives medicines, it gives wood. So these sentences you have to write in your note. So let's see which write the 3 sentences on what the trees give us. Trees give us fruits and vegetables. They give us fresh oxygen. They give wood for shelter. Even we are using wood for making furniture. They provide us medicine. Some trees like neem tree or eucalyptus trees are there. So they give us medicines. Now look at the picture 2. Write 3 sentences on how we harm the trees. How we are hurting the trees that we have to write. We cut branches of trees for burning. That wood of the trees we are using for burning. That causes pollution by setting up industries. We are burning the trees or branches. So because of this air pollution we can find. So it harms us as well as trees also. We pluck leaves for feeding domestic animals. That trees have lots of leaves, right? So that leaves we are plucking and giving to the domestic animals like cow, buffalo or goat. We cut trees to make our houses. So for this way also we are hurting the trees. We are cutting the trees and we are using that wood to make our houses. So this way we are hurting the trees. Now next question. These words describe parts of a tree. Write them in the given space. Stem. It gives strength to the tree and helps in making the tree stand straight. Because of stem, that plants or trees, they can stand straight. If stem it is not there, then that will be bent down. Then next one, it is bark. Outer layer of the trunk, it is called bark. Brown color outer layer cover of the trunk, it is called bark. It is brown colored part present on the stem. The next one, it is leaves. These are green in color and many in numbers. We have seen that most of the trees, they have green color leaves and there are many leaves are there in the trees. They make food for the plant. That is why leaves are known as the kitchen of the tree. They make food for the plant, so they are known as the kitchen of the tree or plant. Next one, it is branches. These are plants emerging from stem on which the leaves grow. जो trees होते हैं उसके stem पे branches होती है और वो branches के ऊपर leaves grow होते हैं. These are parts emerging from stem on which the leaves grow and birds make their nest on them. Now, twigs. These are thin, weak branches. जो weak होती है और thin branches होती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Twigs. Then next one, it is roots. These are thin like thread and long parts under the earth which hold the plant in the soil. Roots जो होते हैं वो पतले थ्रेड के जैसे, डोरी के जैसे, धागे के जैसे लॉन्ग पार्ट्स होता है, वो जमीन के नीचे होते हैं और वो जमीन को पकड़ के रखते हैं. And the roots, they take water and minerals from the soil. Now, shoot. The uppermost part of the plant above the soil is called shoot. जमीन के ऊपर जो पार्ट होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Shoot. The uppermost part of the plant above the soil is called shoot. Now match the opposite words. Downward, upward. Downward that means नीचे की तरफ. Upward that means ऊपर की तरफ. Slowly, fast, little, big, slender, fat, mighty, weak, day, night. Again I will repeat. Downward, upward, slowly, fast, little. Little that means tiny, छोटा सा. Big. Little का opposite, big. Then slender that means patla, thin. Slender that means thin. Opposite of slender it is fat. Mighty that means strong. Opposite of mighty that is weak. Then day, night. I hope that all of you have understood this. So all this exercise you have to copy down in your English notebook one time. Thank you.